Hello, welcome back to my channel. Kiko here. Today we're back for another anime reaction. We're actually moving on to episode 2 of Chainsawman, and episode 1 I thought was a really good introduction, especially since I didn't read the manga, and it was really good too. Like, it's quite mad. So the old grandpa he's owing money to is gone, is dead, and he's been found by this girl who apparently works for this company. So yeah, I'm curious what's gonna happen. Like, the deal is like he's gonna join them and he gets fed. So I'm really curious how far this is gonna go and if he's gonna become like quite an important person for them or not. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Her eyes, y'all. Her eyes. Aww. From now on, you're in my care, Denji. Okay, cool. I expect yes or woof for an answer. I don't need a dog that says no. Everyone keeps calling him a dog, bro. So only forensics once told me that we get dogs that aren't helpful, we put them down. Sheesh. Man's life is just being someone's dog the whole time. Me too. I thought she'd be a little bit nice, but she's scary, bruv. But at the same time, I did feel like there's something scary about her. So the duality is real. Aww, Pochita. But yeah, her tone is completely different from earlier. Yeah. I always say don't feel these were bad. We're here about to fall. She's scary though. Oh, you can't just, bro. You just met her. What the hell, bro? This guy. Rest up. Not gonna lie, the rest outs in Korea and in Japan have like the best food. Though, like, it's always good to stop. Man passed out again. Bro. Chainsawman cut me up too. So I think I'm a little low right now. I used to get used to how to use his powers properly without getting tired. I don't really want to believe it either. Pochita died for my sake. There's not a lot of precedent for your condition, even from a historical perspective. Yeah, because many people didn't take care of a devil and use them as a pet. It's a first, but yeah. Sense of smell. It reminds me of Tanjiro, bro, with the sense of smell and stuff. Nobody has the sense of putting you into though. Nah, not again. You better eat before you pass out again. Bro. He learned so quickly, I cannot, bro. The pampering. No. Bro, not this question already. I'm into the Denji type. Not her flip. Miss Ma'am, you just brought this guy home. You haven't even, it's not been 24 hours. You good? I thought you ate. Oh, okay, he's still in the daze, prof. What is he doing? Just follow her, bruv. Oh, looks nice. 1,000 level hunters in Tokyo. Only in Tokyo. Imagine across the country. 1,000 only in one city, bruv. That's a lot. Bro, concentrate. Bruv. You're supposed to wear uniforms. Put this on. This is a proper like work. Okay, he started 3 years before you, Denji. You're going to be shadowing him today. Straight up! This should be obvious. You're not even in her league. Huh? Patrol. Kinda cute. They're gonna get along just fine. She knows what to say and what to do. That's how you know she's even scarier than you think. She's assessed the situation, she's like, oh, he has a crush on me, I'ma use it. Bro, concentrate on what you're doing with the Miss Makimo, bro. It's none of your business if she does or not. Oh shit. You have boyfriend? Oh my gosh. You like her too? Integrate this chat. Why? Show up tomorrow and I'll kick you out again. I'm trying to be nice here. Yeah, but explain yourself. I've had colleagues who are going to do hunting for the payday. Yeah, but he's not even doing it for the pay. Well, he's just trying to have bread and jam. Plus Makima now, but. Ugh. She won't believe you because she's the one who picked him up. They're about to get into a scuff. This is not the time, bruv, to be fighting yourself. You're like little kids right now. Damn! Okay. It's like a big inclusion. I don't really think anyone started over there. You have to keep with this kind of life. Aww. To be fair, you could have just asked him rather than just beating him up randomly in an alley. Like, can the devils just pop out so they have something else to focus on rather than beating themselves to a pole? It's not giving, bro. Bro, stop it. He's gonna end up childless. Bro, she doesn't care. She's like, good job, now you're a unit. Your team's an experimental one operating differently from the usual method. Oh, okay. Was that easy? Which is why he's going to be receiving special treatment. Damn! She's not even hiding it. She's just saying it. Denji will be disposed of as a devil. What the f? He can't even get out of it at all. It means we're working together until you die. What the hell? Scary. Just remember they say that can kill you if you try to run off. This is literally a dog. Yeah, that will eat. Just be careful, she doesn't kill you. I mean, sometimes good people need to do bad things. Because probably if she wasn't the way she is, she wouldn't be in the position she is now. Like, she has to be straight up and what the heck. Nobody jump, from jam, orange jam. Bro, he's mixing it. This is a mousse. Oh my gosh. I know it's your first time tasting everything and anything, but one at a time, boy. The food's not running away no more. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's literally living. Oh my gosh, he fell asleep while pooping. No, how much tissue did he use? Hold up in the second study room. We'll leave it to you. Do the hunters from here. Why is he or she in the second story? Like, in the second building? Oh, I feel. So he or she is using whoever person's child like body. Oh shit! So will they be able to kill the devil without hurting the actual human? Now that they've possessed their body. Ooh. The devil show me what you can do. That'll help me figure out if you're of any use. Gross. When I kill devils with my powers, they get real messed up. So like I could end up like this friend, right? So I kinda wanted to make it painless for him. But he's considerate. Okay, so they can't do anything different than what they usually do, which is killing a devil. Even once they've like being possessed, that's it. The human's gone properly. I thought it would be the case as in episode 1 there was like the zombie people, but at the same time I was like, oh, maybe they can, since they're devil hunters, there's a way to turn them back to humans somehow if they wanted to, but that's not the case. What the heck? When did you even see these magazines, bro? Oh my gosh. No, in the dream, it's like never getting sad. He must be chasing him. Aww. But every day eats good food, bro. My life's a 10 out of 10. Damn. Just trying to believe the family. Bro, not now. Oh my gosh. No, don't tell me this is what would make his life more than a 10. Oh my gosh. No, that's not what he meant. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? What? Bro. She's giving Kartik already. She's a fan. Really? Prostate yourself humans. What? Are you to be my so-called partner? That's why they both have sharp teeth. Oh my gosh. No! What the heck? But was highly irrational, so she's been on Hayakawa's team. It's an experimental team. Uni. What the hell? If you two, basically they'll both be killed. Powers phones stand that a bit too much. So you want to patrol areas without a lot of pedestrian. Just wear a hat. You're literally a girl. No one's gonna care if you wear a hat. No one's gonna bother. Cause that's the only thing. I am starved for blood. What? I can put up crazy if she's hot enough. Bro! What the hell? How did what the yo! He's seriously thinking about it. They probably shifted there was an initial division 4.
Damn.
Why, you think you're so scary, bruv? I was a devil that was feared by all. The many beings will likely flee the moment they catch my scent. If you have any questions, just ask Hayakawa. He's the one who put the two together. Still can't do anything, cool. He's trying to get me fired. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Bruv. Damn. Chill, woman. The sea's evacuated blocked off. The sea cucumber devil. Sea cucumber, okay. Sheesh. What? Damn. Just with a bit of her blood, she literally made a hammer. Just like that. Just like that. What the hell? Guys, that's it for my reaction. I actually think that Denji and Power make like a good team up. Especially when it comes to like, I think they'll, cause like, she easily killed this cucumber team. So when it comes to like a really powerful devil, I think the combination of the two of them together will be really nice. Like it will be like a good partnership. She is giving confusion though. I'm like, what? I wasn't expecting her to actually not be human. But it makes sense. She could just wear a hat to hide the horns, but it's really interesting the fact that they're like an experimental unit. And I don't know how many more people they're gonna add to this group though. But like, or if it's just like the three of them. But I think it's gonna be really fun. I think they might become like the major unit. They might become like, I think they might become like the major unit for the company, the devil hunters. So it's literally something to look forward to. So yeah, I enjoyed this episode as well. So yeah, if you enjoyed my reaction, then consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video. If you have any other recommendations, just leave them in the comment section, and I'll see you next week with episode 3. Bye.